Today's random adventure with the Garcia starts off at Ocean View Garage, located in Morro Bay, California. Ocean View Garage is closed during the regular seasons, but only open for special events. This is a rare find to get to walk through and record to see all its prime still sitting there, with consignment cars in the back, some held for storage. A lot of the antique signs, light up neon, have been replaced and fixed, with a whole bunch of decor on the wall. It's used during the car show for Morro Bay. So come on down and take a look. Of course, can never make a random adventure without the sexy Sarah Garcia with me.
Ford.
Beep, 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 beep.
Look at me, I'm a red Le Mans. I'm a convertible. Look at me, I'm a GTO. I'm so beautiful. Look at me when I drive. Yeah, but like a kitten. A blue truck, look at me. I'm a classic. I'm a classic pickup.
I'm a muscle car. Muscle.
Look at me, I bought me brand new right off the dealer floor. Just drove down here. Oh, look at me, I got a motorcycle on the back. Ooh, look at me, I'm a Corvette. Not an older one, but a new one. I look like a bumblebee. I'm a bumblebee driving in a car show. Hello, my name's Andy. I take pictures for a living. Yeah, look at these cars. They're so cool. I'm going to step right here in front of everybody. Add one more. Come on, guys. Come in. Okay. Two. Cobras. Cadillac, Cadillac, Cadillac. Hey, check out my Datsun. I'm a newer Mustang. I want to be part of the group.
Sound effects were provided by Dominic and J.R. Garcia. I'm gonna cross the street in front of the car show unsafely with my puppies and my family.
I'm jaywalking. I deserve a ticket. I'm gonna cross unsafely with my baby.
My kid's running in the street.
Hey, look at this. It's a car with a surfboard. Never seen one of those before in Morro Bay.
Family's everything. Dominic, ice cream. Sarah.
Oh yeah, sorry.
You want a bit? This is one of my favorite clips. This is actually Sarah's cousin driving the Ka-Chow golf cart. There's Laura. Hello, Laura. Hello. No morning could be complete without a cup of coffee to start my day.
So this right here is my absolute favorite. It's the Almond Joy Mocha. I get a large. It's not on the menu, but if you ask for it, they definitely know how to make it for you. It's the best.
And this is our breakfast. We got the everything bagel, bacon, and eggs. This is a duck leg smothered in barbecue sauce that was at a deli downtown. And I got the grilled cheese with brie cheese and a tomato basil. That was really good. This is Dominic and Sarah. This is a random stranger. We had to jump in our photo and take a picture of us. We have this contest where we take pictures with strangers and see who can get the most. We won that weekend. And of course, this is Sarah and JR enjoying Morro Bay. So we're here at Top Dog Coffee in Morro Bay. This is one of Sarah's favorite places to drink
Absolutely.
coffee. And so I want to give a shout out to them. Last 2 days we've had breakfast here. It's been amazing. We started off first with Sarah's bagel breakfast. It's an everything bagel, bacon, egg, and cheese, which was absolutely to die for. So to revisit a place to eat for us is pretty special because it means the food was delicious. So today we're gonna top it off with another coffee. You probably saw from the previous video or previous pictures that we had our coffee yesterday, but today it's gonna be a turkey avocado, which looks amazing. And then we get to enjoy the car show. So here's some videos of the car show. Enjoy.
Happy car show.
Look how delicious that looks.
One other thing I wanted to mention really quick about Top Dog is a lot of their proceeds go back to the rescue dog community. They have a special coffee even that is made, and a lot of the proceeds go back to rescue dogs.
This is not one of the rescue dogs, but I think it's Sarah's new boyfriend. This is Sarah, we're at the car show. Look at Sarah, she's so sexy. Morro Bay car show. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank y'all. You guys have a great one.
Best beignets ever.
Top Dog. Hey, you get it running? The Shelby? Remember? This is Dominic. Look at Tom. He's all awake, ready to go. What's up? You okay? All right. Let's go home. Let's get you guys home. Nothing sexier than these cars and this woman right here, guys. Somebody farted right there. Smell it. Sarah's favorite car in the whole wide world. Mr. Grove's cars. Heck yeah, who doesn't? That's a beautiful car. Oh, no, that's the one. It broke down. Yeah. One is a kit, one is not. I'm surprised he didn't park next to that, but he did break down. Yeah. And then Ocean. This is Sarah's right here, fastback, 67? Ah, 65. Oh, this is Scott's. Look at that. That is beauty, guys. I can see Dominic in this one, Camaro.
So, not in that color.
No, but in the car. Let's see what you look like next to it. Look at this guy. Super sexy. Oh, let's get us in the right way here. This is us ending the car show. Catch up Dan Carolyn. She's out there. She's probably parked right where we were. Oh, at the end. Huh? There are random adventures with the Garcias coming to a conclusion as we drove back home to enjoy a peaceful day. We sold t-shirts Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at Morro Bay Car Show. And of course, Sarah was overwhelmed and tired, so she slept in the back seat on the way home. But we had a great time overall. Thanks for joining us.